Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I want to send this package.
Sure. Is it local or international?
It's international.
Okay. Could you place it on the scale, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. It weighs 2 kilograms.
How much will it cost?
That depends on the shipping speed.
What are the options?
We have standard, express, and priority shipping.
How long does express shipping take?
It takes 5 to 7 days.
And priority shipping?
It takes 2 to 3 days.
I'll choose express shipping.
All right. Could you fill out this form?
Sure, what information do you need?
Your name, address, and the recipient's details.
Okay, I've filled it out.
Thank you. Do you want to add insurance?
Yes, please. How much does it cost?
It's $5 for up to $100 of coverage.
That's fine.
Great. The total cost is $25.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Please insert your card here.
Done.
Here's your receipt and tracking number.
Hey, Ben.
Hi, Amy. What's up?
I can't find my phone.
Oh, no. Where did you put them?
I don't know.
Are they on the kitchen table?
No, they're not there.
How about your desk?
I looked, not on my desk.
Did you check your bag?
Yes, I did, not in my bag.
Calm down. What were you doing?
I was watching TV on the sofa.
And where is the remote?
The remote is right here.
Look under the pillow.
Let me see. Oh, here they are.
Great.
They were under the pillow the whole time.
See? Problem solved.
Thank you for your help.
No problem.
Honey?
Yeah? What's up?
The Wi-Fi is not working.
Oh, really?
Yes, I can't use the internet on my phone.
You're right. No Wi-Fi for me either.
What should we do?
Let's look at the router.
Okay, where is it?
It's in the living room, next to the TV.
I see it. The lights are off.
That's the problem.
Is the power off?
No, the TV is on.
So what now?
Let's try something simple.
What?
Turn it off and turn it on again.
Okay, it's off.
Now wait a few seconds.
Okay.
Now turn it on.
It's on. The lights are blinking.
Good. Give it a minute.
Hey, it's working.
Great. Is the connection good?
Yes, it's perfect.
Awesome.
Honey, the lights just went out.
What? Did we lose power?
I think so. Everything's off.
Check the neighbors' houses.
Their lights are off too.
Must be a blackout then.
What should we do?
First, find flashlights.
Where are they?
In the kitchen drawer, I think.
Found them. Here's one for you.
Thanks. Now let's check the fuse box.
Is that necessary if the whole street is dark?
Good point. Maybe not.
Should we call the power company?
Yes, but my phone battery is low.
Mine too, 30% left.
Okay, quick call then.
What's the number?
It's on the fridge. 5551234.
Calling now, busy signal.
Probably lots of people calling.
Now what?
Let's light some candles.
Be careful with matches.
Don't worry, I got this.
How long will this last?
Hopefully not too long.
At least we have each other.
And the flashlight.